people, and I'm back cooking again, and today I'm going to make a meringue. I've got to separate 2 eggs. That's not going to go well. Like I said, it ain't going to go well. Sorted, and one more. Now that will go better. Take that spoon out of there and use it for the egg white, and you have to whisk it. And then put it in a pan. Or even so, put it in a pan. And keep whisking it. Adding a little bit of sugar, not too much at the start. For this, I forgot to tell you, you need 2 egg whites and 6 ounces of sugar. And you mix it until it comes to that. I'm hoping that's right. So I'm going to put it in my blender. Oh, don't like the smell of eggs. And with the help of my son,
he's gonna help.
Oh, come on. You're good at this. Does it go on like that?
Yeah.
And then I tip it over.
Yeah. I think, I don't know. Don't know how to use it, do I? Shall I call an ambulance just on the safe side?
And you left upstairs then without walking. It says keep adding a bit of sugar at a time, not too much. So I'm just going to do as I'm told. Adding bits of sugar at the time, so I didn't bother showing you because it's the same scenario over and over again. So now I've asked now I've added the last bit, and I'm going to now I've been shown how to use the blender. I'm going to do it. Oh, that hurts. I hope to Christ it's gone right. Right, I'm using ramekin. I don't know if I'm allowed to. I'm just going with the flow, as it's called. Oh, I can't undo that. I've done it. And is it? Right, it hasn't gone quite as it's supposed to. Well, that's an novelty. But anyway, I'm going to put it into the ramekins. As you can see, it's a bit too creamy. I think I might need whisking a bit more. It's a bit too creamy. I must have put too much egg white in. Right, I'm still going to put it in anyway. I'm going to put a dessert spoon in. Each one. This is supposed to do 4 servings. I can't see that happening. Four meals, that would have gone drastically wrong. They might take shape in the oven. Then again, they might turn out absolutely garbage. Right, as I have dripped everything all over my cooker, I'm now going to put these on a baking tray and I'm going to put them in the oven. And I'm going to give them 10 minutes because even though I've been told how to make them over and over again, I haven't been told how long they want in the oven. So, my baking tray is here. Now I'm going to put them in the oven for 10 minutes and we're going to see what happens after 10 minutes. Now I've just had a look and it said the mixture has to be fluffy and glossy, and that looked glossy and fluffy to me, so let's just see how it goes, how it's turned out. I am dreading this. And this oven door, we're going to have to do something about it because it's hard to pull down. They don't look like meringues to me, but they have grown. They've grown. And I'm going to stab one, pack it in. I'm telling you.
I haven't done nothing.
Oh God, yes, they've meringued. I am not going to take them out of the pan, out of the ramekins, but that is a hard bit. Sorry, I'm being childish. But yes, I am going to put them in. Get off me. Get off. I am going to put them in for another 10 minutes. But yes, they are done to perfection. And like I said, I'm going to get a new oven because I can't cope with that oven door. So another 10 minutes they're going in for, and I will show you the end product after 10 minutes. Oh my God, what has happened? Only thing is, all it is that they've just overflowed. Ow. So it don't really matter. Taste test. Let me get a spoon. Taste test. Taste that, please.
Get bored. No, you taste.
Come on.
You taste it.
Actually, it is nice. A bit too sugary, but nice. And this is the poorly end product of meringue. All the meringues were cooked for far too long. I shouldn't put them in for that extra 10 minutes. As you saw, there were no crusts because I don't like lemon, and you have to, when you make a pie crust, you have to put lemon on it to put the meringue on the top. So there was just meringue without the pie. So it was just meringue on meringue. And the update on my phone. Now, as you know, my phone couldn't be mended. So I had to go and get another one. If you've watched Lee's Core one, you will find out that I got one on Saturday. That's it. It's a brand new phone. And, well, it's a brand new phone. And that's it. Right, I hope that gives you a rough idea of how to do meringues. And I hope yours goes a lot better than what mine did. If you like what you see, which you probably won't have, but if you did, please keep viewing and give me a big old thumbs up. And if you want me to make something or cook something, please leave me a comment. I am getting round to them all, as I have got a long list. And if you haven't subscribed to me, why not? Get subscribing. Thank you. Bye. It's my last bit. The more the merrier. Bye.